I can control your body. I can control your body.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aliya Monique. If this is the first time seeing my face, how you doing? I am Aliya and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be curling it and doing the baby hair. Yes, I did a great job. Y'all don't think so? How you be like lace wear, plucked wear. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please join the team and become a part of the family. I hope you guys enjoy this video. What I'm doing right now is I separated my sections on this side. This is gonna be my baby hair. I did this side already, but I didn't finish. I want to finish everything on camera. But yes, I'm going to, what's it called? I'm gonna pluck a little bit more on this side, but I don't feel like I need to. I just need to straighten it better so you can see it. Hey, like, sorry y'all, you know when that lace touch your ear, honey, that thing will cut you up. So I'm just trying to make sure it ain't gonna cut me. Okay, all right, so so I have a piece that's already like a little small up here, and I'm just gonna cut them all that same size. So I'm just going to take it and just cut it off. And just cut it. I cut it pretty long so I can see exactly how I want it, and then if I decide that I really do want it, and then I'm gonna cut my sideburns. So I cut my sideburns a little long because I like them long anyway. Like long like my actual sideburns that I literally think I cut off. So up to that. Okay. I personally don't feel like I need to pluck anymore. On this side at least. I'm not really done straightening it, but this side looks way better than this side, only because I cut more lace on this side because this is a wig that I already had, that I had installed by somebody else, and this is my first time installing it back on my head from the last time I took it off. So yeah, that I'm kind of just working around her, but it seems like she only really plucked really a lot on this side and not on this side, which is strange, but whatever. So I'm going to take, and I'm gonna just literally start curling. I curl and then I cut more if I need to, but secretly I might have to. So with the curl, that's when and make sure you guys use your heat protector because I put it on already, and I try to get the curl that I want, which is, you know, real extra. I might pluck this part again, but you know, secretly I can probably do my swoop that I always do in the front. So let me see. Dang. Let's see. It's like this, right? And then you like this. I love that swoop in the front for some reason, like that. I love that. It's very dramatic, but you know, I'm gonna make it shorter though. Okay, let me curl this one first. And which way am I gonna do that one? This way. You know that the trick about this is really figuring out which way you want the baby hair to go. So you have to curl them first, and then you have to, you know, play around with them. You know, but you gotta play around with them. So They're gonna be sticking up. Don't worry about that. I like it messy anyway. Right? Okay, let me just do my baby hair part here. So wait. And do that. Yes. I was like, is that too dramatic? That's how I be liking my baby hair. Anyway, let me see this side. Okay. This side is a little bit thicker. This side is just a little bit thicker. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit of it and then I'm gonna try. And I'll probably that. And just get the hair that's in the way. Maybe just push it back. Now just take the comb just to, you know, keep getting the shape together that I want, which is always, you know, the swoop. Can y'all see that this literally looks like scalp or no? Like, is it just me or am I tripping? You got, oh, you know what else? Straighten it a little bit, right, and then curl so it can lay down. I'm curling my baby hair now with the small. It was so cute yesterday when I was done. I will attach a video of when I posted it on Instagram. Ooh, you really be burning your face with this thing, honey. No, I feel like it's not gonna lay like how it did. I use this eyelash thing for everything. This eyelash brush. Okay. I didn't do baby hair on this side. I didn't feel like I needed to. You just gotta kind of play with it, you know? Play with the hair in your hands. There's so many long pieces. I be not trying to cut the long pieces. I just try to put them behind my ear because sometimes when you cut too much, it be looking thin, you know? And we don't want it looking thin. but like. Okay, let's see. You really just gotta play with it, you know? Like, maneuver and hold it. See, that's cute. Maneuver and hold it. I hope you can see it. I'm pretty sure y'all can. I just can't see when I turn my face. I'm always losing something. And then you just gotta curl to your design, you know, like. Curl to your desire. Ooh. I'm brushing too much out. I'm trying to get it back to where it was because, you know, when you keep on putting product in it, it's never gonna, you know, lay how it did. Let's see. I'm not gonna be doing this for too long because I still want to curl my hair and I want y'all to see me curl it. So let's see. You don't want to comb too much. Well, since I have makeup on, I don't want to curl too much. But yes, I'm probably gonna leave it just like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I like it. And this side is just lace. But, you know. Okay. Alright. I'm going to watch a video while you watch me curl my hair. Okay. Video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please comment below some video ideas that you would want me to do. I would love some suggestions so I can be amusing to you guys. Let me know. Also follow me on Instagram so you can see this look. I'm gonna post it and everything. I'll put my Instagram down below. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever you're watching, and comment below. Bye.
I can control your body. I can control